There is a quiet, almost unsettling realization sweeping through the personal computing industry right now, and it is happening because the boundary between premium, high-end professional laptops and everyday consumer notebooks has just been completely demolished. For decades, the tech industry forced us to accept a rigid, unyielding hierarchy. If you wanted a machine that could seamlessly edit high-definition video, compile massive code bases, or render complex graphics, you had to sell a kidney to afford a professional-tier workstation. If you chose a budget-friendly, ultra-portable laptop, you were immediately penalized. You got a screen that looked washed out, a chassis that flexed under minimal pressure, and a processor that would choke and sputter the moment you opened more than 5 browser tabs. But behind closed doors, a radical shift was being engineered. Apple looked at the massive gap between the casual user and the hardcore creative and decided to permanently erase the dividing lines. The result of that defiance is a machine that completely resets the global standard for what an accessible laptop can achieve. It is called the Apple MacBook Neo 2. This is not just another minor, iterative update designed to hit a seasonal holiday sales target. It is a highly calculated, aggressive reimagining of the ultra-portable form factor. By packing next-generation neural architecture and hyper-efficient silicon into a razor-thin chassis, Apple has created a device that threatens to make traditional mid-tier laptops look completely prehistoric. If you are currently using an older laptop that sounds like a jet engine every time you stream a video, or if you are tired of carrying a heavy charging brick everywhere you go, you need to listen very closely. The MacBook Neo 2 does not just upgrade your daily workflow. It completely redefines your relationship with portable technology, and it leaves the rest of the industry scrambling for answers. To truly understand the disruptive nature of what this machine represents, you have to look past the minimalist aluminum shell and dive straight into the underlying silicon architecture. Traditional computers are built like a scattered, unorganized city. The processor sits in one corner, the graphics chip sits in another, and the system memory is slotted far away on a complex motherboard. Every single time your computer wants to perform a simple operation, data has to travel across physical distances through narrow, crowded circuit pathways. This creates a permanent, structural bottleneck that wastes precious milliseconds and generates massive amounts of heat. The MacBook Neo 2 completely throws out that outdated design playbook. It relies on a hyperdense next-generation system on a chip that integrates the central processing unit, the graphics processing unit, the specialized neural engine, and the system memory into one single, microscopic slice of silicon. By eliminating the physical distance data has to travel, Apple has unlocked a level of speed and responsiveness that feels almost supernatural. The unified memory architecture allows the graphics and compute cores to access the exact same data pools simultaneously with zero latency. There is no duplication of files, no system hesitation, and no lag. The laptop operates with an instant, jarring fluidity that responds to your inputs before your finger even fully lifts off the keycap. The computational layout of this custom silicon is a brilliant exercise in hyper-optimized engineering. It splits its workload across distinct high-performance cores and